Does it take you too long to change attachments? Good news! We have a solution for you. Swap attachments in under a minute. YANMAR's Double Lock Quick Coupler. No tools required. Connect attachments easily with the auto-locking coupler, all without getting out of your seat. It's both convenient and safe. By simply pressing a switch, you can connect attachments right from the operator's seat. YANMAR-approved buckets are designed to never contact the boom cylinder. The quick coupler can still support attachments from other manufacturers, but pin dimensions and boom clearance should be checked. Let's see how long it takes to change buckets. Start the clock. YANMAR's Double Lock Quick Coupler was able to change buckets in 1/10 of the time, and to add, all without the operator leaving his seat. How to disconnect an attachment. Stop the excavator on a flat level surface and lower the attachment to the ground. When the power is turned on, the quick coupler information will be displayed on the LCD monitor, and a warning buzzer will sound. Next, simply press and hold the unlock switch, and the attachment will be disconnected. How to connect the attachments. Curl the movable hook so that the fixed hook latches onto the pin on the arm side of the attachment. Slowly raise the attachment, curl it to the level position, and press the lock control switch. Finally, verify that the safety lock is engaged. And the connection is complete. Here is how the auto-locking mechanism works. The force of the spring keeps the safety lock engaged, preventing accidental detachment. When the attachment is being held, the mini cylinders disengage the safety lock. The force of the spring causes the mini cylinders to retract, engaging the lock. YANMAR's Double Lock Quick Coupler complies with ISO 13031. The Double Lock Quick Coupler by YANMAR. Experience the world of YANMAR Advanced Technologies. Building with you.